this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Locked to Discord server on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But go ahead and open up the game's main page. If you're in the game, just go ahead and exit out of it and then search up Lock 2 and get on the game page. From here, what you need to do is just scroll down and you're looking for like the social link section. This is usually under like the servers tab right here. If Discord is available, you'll see it here and go ahead and select it. If not, go ahead and make your way to the description and you'll find the link in there as well. But essentially, just go ahead and open this up, hit continue, and what it's going to do is it's going to open up the Discord official invite on Google Chrome. Go ahead and hit accept invite, and then from here, open up Discord. And once again, this works on PC, whatever platform you might be on, mobile, for example. But once you get loaded in, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just need to go through and update this. And then, of course, you are going to have to verify your account before you can actually see anything. You'll get a little DM from BloxLink, but you can also go to this verify tab right here and select verify with BloxLink in order to get it sent to you. As soon as you verify with BloxLink, which is essentially just linking your Roblox account, you'll be able to see the rest of the server. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.